Hi guys, we are making crochet lock braids today. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're joining us, my name is Tomi, and on this channel we'll make do-it-yourself hairstyles that you can make at the comfort of your home. So today's video is about how to install your crochet lock braids, and it is super easy and fast. The first thing you have to do is to section your hair into two and part the first section at the middle. Now we want to make the braid look real without braiding the locks at all. So in order to achieve that, you braid the first box. You do not have to braid it to the end. Then you part the second box. You put the first box into the second hair and then you braid them together. Then you do every section like that. Now the reason why we are doing this is because each of the lock extension will be sitting on each of the section of your hair to give it a natural look. It would look like you actually braided your hair with a lock extension. And please guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please help me grow. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. So now we are going to braid the lower part as well. It does not have to look pretty, it does not have to look perfect. You can freestyle the braiding because at the end of the day, the extension will be sitting on it. We only need a firm base for the extension to be on your hair, so it doesn't have to look pretty. You can braid it into 5, 6, 7. To fix your lock extension into your hair, you put your crochet pin at the base of your hair, you fix the extension into it, then you pass it through the base of your hair, and then you put the tip of your lock into the loop, then you drag it out. And we are done. So everything I used will be at the description box of this video, so please check it through. And most importantly, please subscribe to this channel, and if you have a question, please drop it at the comment section and I'll answer them all. And please like, share and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys.